Yo, step and fetch it, go back and fetch it. It's in your history, the mystery, the lesson. Your memory sends the message direct to your ancestors for direct communication. Pour the libation without it just.
We are Égún Omode.
Without it, to stagnation will lead to a plantation, impeding your liberation and mental emancipation. They cut us off as a nation. They disconnected the language on top of the pain and anguish. Reduce us to entertainment. The culture they sought to change it, alter and rearrange it. They even changed what your name is. The only thing that remains is the melanin in your skin and the spirit that's deep within. Reconnect to your source of power, ancestors and origin.
We dance. We dance for our ancestors. We dance for our ancestors. We sing for our ancestors. Let's go.
Until we reconnected, peace and love will be rejected. Truth and justice stands for nothing in the land of life's destruction. Égún Omode, the only way to save the people.
Celebrate our ancestors. Hey! Give a round of applause.
So why when I speak of them do I have to say Égún is a rock? Égún is my rock? Because when I'm about to fall into a hole, it's Égún that says watch where you going.